Hello friends. Welcome to CryptoHook channel. After waiting for what feels like an eternity, we finally have an important update on the Hold Airdrop. Whether you've been eagerly waiting for the listing details, airdrop criteria, or withdrawal process, this video covers it all. If you're participating in the Hold Airdrop, I strongly urge you to watch this video till the end without skipping. In today's video, we will dive deep into the Hold Airdrop update after the long wait. Details on the airdrop allocation and tasks you need to focus on. Step-by-step withdrawal process for your tokens. The pre-market trading updates for Holdcoin. Which exchanges the coin is listing on and when you can expect withdrawals. Plus, we'll talk about tips on maximizing your earnings, so make sure to share this video with your friends who are also in the crypto space. And if you want to stay updated with the latest crypto opportunities, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Let's get started. Now, let's first understand the tasks and criteria you need to focus on to maximize your chances of earning from the Hold Airdrop. Airdrop Task Overview. When you open the Hold Airdrop section, you will see a clear mention of airdrop tasks. However, the specific allocation details are still marked as coming soon. This means the team has yet to release some critical details, but for now, here's what you should focus on. 1. Wallet connection. You need to connect your TON wallet or another compatible wallet. This is crucial because your wallet will be used to track your participation and transactions. 2. Transaction requirements. After connecting your wallet, you must complete a small transaction on the TON network. Don't worry, the transaction fee is minimal, costing less than 1 Indian rupee or a few cents. 3. Exchange wallet event. The platform also requires you to connect your exchange wallet, e.g., Mac Global, xKuCoin. If you don't already have an exchange wallet, don't worry, it's simple to create one. You can easily decentralize it through Google, download the required tools, and link it to the BNB chain. 4. Referral system. Inviting friends is another essential criterion. If you invite 2, 4, or 5 friends, it can significantly boost your chances. Referrals are a critical part of the airdrop tasks. 5. Diamond points. The number of diamonds you earn is the most crucial factor. If you go to the homepage of the Hold platform, you can check how many diamonds you've collected. For example, I currently have 27,000 diamonds, and this will matter more than anything else for the airdrop allocation. Here's what you should do to optimize your rewards. 1. Spend your points wisely. Use all your available points to upgrade your level. The higher your level, the more your chances of earning additional diamonds. 2. Complete all tasks. Focus on completing as many tasks as possible. The more active you are, the more diamonds you'll collect. 3. Utilize referrals. Referrals don't just help you with task completion, they also contribute significantly to your overall ranking. Remember, diamonds will be the main deciding factor for the airdrop allocation, so don't leave any tasks incomplete. Now, let's talk about the pre-market trading update for Holdcoin. Pre-market trading details. The Holdcoin is currently trading in the pre-market phase on the following exchanges. 1. Mac Global, a well-known cryptocurrency exchange. 2. Gate.io, one of the leading global exchanges. 3. xKuCoin, a trusted platform for crypto trading. I'll provide the links to these exchanges in the description so you can explore them yourself. Current trading price. On Gate.io, Holdcoin is already trading at $0.0036 in the pre-market. While this isn't a significant price, it's a positive sign that the coin is already seeing trading activity. If you don't have a Gate.io account, now is the time to create one. The link for sign-up is in the description. Remember, trading in the pre-market could give you an edge before the main listing. Now, the big question, when will Holdcoin be fully listed, and when can we withdraw our tokens? 1. Token withdrawal details. Once the airdrop allocation is finalized, the withdrawal option will be displayed on your account. You'll see a clear option to withdraw your tokens, along with the gas fees and timelines. 2. Main listing timeline. Based on the current progress, the main listing on spot markets is expected within 1 month. Before the main listing, the tokens will first be distributed to airdrop participants, ensuring they can withdraw their rewards before public trading begins. Here are some essential tips to ensure you get the maximum benefit. 1. Focus on diamonds. Don't save your coins, spend them to earn and upgrade your diamonds. Diamonds are the most critical factor in determining your allocation. 2. Complete tasks daily. Stay active on the platform and complete all tasks regularly to maintain your chances of higher rewards. 3. Participate in pre-market trading. If possible, participate in pre-market trading to familiarize yourself with Holdcoin and the exchanges it's listed on. 4. Stay updated. Follow Hold Airdrop announcements and updates closely. Join their social media channels to ensure you don't miss any critical information. So, friends, that's everything you need to know about the Hold Airdrop update and the latest details on tasks, pre-market trading, and listing timelines. This project has been in development for a long time, and now that we're seeing movement in the pre-market, I'm confident the main listing will happen soon. If you have any questions or need clarification, feel free to drop your queries in the comment box, where I provide instant updates on airdrops, token prices, listings, and more. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, like it and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the CryptoHook channel for more updates, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy earning.